Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. Closing bell today on the 3rd of February 2021. Today I want to speak about 3 stocks in focus. The first one is all about Amazon. Amazon, really sad news about Jeff Bezos stepping down after 27 years at the helm. And his predecessor, who was also the head of AWS, Andy Jassy, who's been with him since 1997. So it's not just AWS, he's been with him for a long time. He's finally taken over the helm. Really overshadowed the great record-breaking earnings by Amazon for the Q4 2020, just last Christmas, just passed through COVID-19. And where is Amazon going to go from here? Are we going to be selling Amazon or will we be holding on to Amazon? For me, I've sold Amazon on 1st of February and swap it for Tesla, risk transfer. So the earnings came in, Amazon earnings, 7.23 EPS came in about 14.09, double. It's a record sales of 125 billion, not shy of Apple's sales as well. Record revenue generated. However, AWS only had a growth of 28% compared to Microsoft's Azure, who had a staggering 50%. Q1, the revenue will decrease from 35%, record breaking, down to 25%. Because once the COVID-19 opens up, people get vaccinated, people back to normal life, so less people shop at Amazon. So that is one that we need to consider, whether you still need to hold on Amazon, because we are in a COVID-19 factor on Amazon just now. That's where it doubled in price over the course of the pandemic. Should we be concerned for future? Yeah, I think we should be concerned. I know that, so the likes of ShopRival, Shopify, Etsy, SEA Limited, they've all been growing really quick. They're all changing. They're all trying to be different for Amazon. They're trying to grab market shares and they're doing well. They're not eBay's. They are better than eBay's. They are a different experience. Working with Pinterest, a different experience. And the other thing, the loss of ambition is, the theme of investing just now is genetic, self-driving vehicles, electric vehicles, freelancing, semiconductor, green stocks. All those themes are not found in Amazon's roadmap just now. It's all about cloud. So Amazon's turning to like a cloud computing company. And they were lack of like e-payment system, they were lack of cryptocurrency. There were no place like that. I could feel Jeff Bezos' ambition was slowing down. So just be aware if you're still investing in Amazon, but no deny that there's still a revenue generated, a revenue cash cow that everybody's trying to catch up. But for growth, we just have to be a bit careful with Amazon. It's something that we need to question about. So be careful if you do own Amazon stocks. Think about, look at other areas to see if you can speculate for a better growth than Amazon. But if Amazon is your cup of tea, then fine, stick with it. But for me, I've moved on from Amazon just before the announcement. Now I'm confident I've done the right thing. And I still want Amazon to succeed. And I still want every investor to succeed. So just watch your cards, okay? So the next one that I want to speak about is Sony, okay? I've spoken about Sony on my show a few times, saying that Sony's technical trend, I noticed that it was touching the 50 days moving day average. They had great earnings in Q3, and back then the Sony PlayStation 5 wasn't in, and also the new cameras, it's not lined up yet. Now I knew Q4 was going to break, and guess what? Boom, it went up 11% today. Now it's hovering over 110, 115, 110. So they're doing really well. So I managed to stock up my eToro, boom, made profit. Got a bit of gains there. I'm quite happy with S&E Sony. So what's that? So PlayStation 5 pushed the gaming sector up about 40%, okay? Music up about 21%. The movies were down still 19%, but that will open up. The cameras were down. I think it's shortage of stock. Hopefully that recovers. So all in all, there's a 20% rise in revenue. It's like 20% last quarter and 20% this quarter. Same for the likes of Nintendo. Again, smashing quarters after quarters, another 20% up. So Sony's up. I think it's a good stock to buy, good stock to own. It's really underrated card. They're still up as high as the likes of Microsoft and Adobe, all the big brands, because it's Japanese. And the next one is the GHIV, or the reversal, a merger with UWMC. So the bell rang for them. It's like an IPO bell. It's a reverse merger on the 22nd of January, and the stock price went down as low as $8. And now today they've rocketed about 11%. They've gone up, the reversal. And you all must be wondering, why is this reversal only today? All I can tell you is because Rocket Company, their rival on mortgage companies, has been heavily shorted during the same period where GameStop and AMC has been shorted. So a lot of SPAC stocks has been shorted at that time. I think I'm going to hold and see whether it hits that $15, $16 territory before I let go and plow it on Tesla again. So I'm going to wait and see. There's no rush in buying Tesla just now. I'm going to wait and see, but that's my plan going to Tesla. But it's a good stock to hold if they do well in their earnings, which is coming up. So this is me on the 3 key stocks in focus today. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Please click like and subscribe. I hope to see more videos from me and my family in future.